How to change or delete music from Instagram post. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can change or delete music from Instagram post. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's get started. So I'm gonna open the Instagram app, and once I have opened the app, I'm simply gonna tap on the plus sign on the bottom center of the screen. Once I am in the another section, I'm just gonna choose a photo and I'm going to walk you through the same step and hit the next button. And in this section, I'm simply gonna choose some random music and simply tap on next. And once I'm done with everything, I'm simply gonna tap on share and I will share my post on my Instagram. Now the post has been posted on my Instagram. Now what I'm gonna do is just simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now in my profile section, I can see this specific photo and it has song associated with it. Now I can tap on this three dot at the top right and I can tap on edit here and you will see several different things like I can edit the tag, I can edit the location and all that stuff, but I cannot edit or change the music. So again, I'm gonna hit cancel. Again, if I scroll down a little bit, the only option is that I can simply mute or unmute the music, but essentially removing that song is not possible unless you delete an entire post and then upload it again. So to do that, let's tap on the three dot icon again. And next, all you have to do is just hit delete. And as you here you can see my post has been deleted. Unfortunately, they just don't give you the option to go after the fact and maybe add a new song or remove the song or update it to something else that you wanted. Maybe down the road, Instagram will make that change and update it in the app. But right now, your limitation are you can either delete or leave the post. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.